All right, so dust cover is off. What? I think I left a wrench in here last time. I don't know how I left a wrench in here last time, but apparently I did. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, it helps me out a lot. So today's video is about the lifted CRV. We're going to be installing some new headlight bulbs. Now, I don't need any new headlights, they actually work great, but I am going to be upgrading to an LED set. Now, I've never had an LED set of headlight bulbs in any of my cars other than like stock, like my Lexus or my Type R right here. I believe my Lexus and this Type R have all LED daytime running lights, obviously, but the headlights and all of that stuff as well. So basically, we're going to be installing LED headlight bulbs in my CRV, and the lifted CRV should look way better. It should have a lot more visibility, and it should just run a lot better as well. So I actually have a really nice set of headlights I will be installing today. These are it right here. These are Oxido LED lights. And they say on the side that they fit a 9003 or an H4. Now that should be my headlight size for the CRV. And so I've never installed any LED headlights on my CRV or any of my older Hondas, so I'm excited. So let's go open this box, see what's inside, and start installing these. All right, so let's head outside really quick and see what's in this box. So like I said before, these are Oxido LED light. Basically on the side, it does say high brightness. It also says long lifespan, plug and play, and off-road. Now, these are LED, so obviously they probably will last a long time. So this is what the box looks like. Nothing much to it. It is pretty sturdy though. So let's open this up and see what's inside right now. All right, so as you can see, it does come with gloves. That's actually a really nice touch that it does come with gloves, so when you're installing, you can use these gloves. So I am going to use those for sure. Also, it does come with a manual. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward installation, but yeah, that's nice that it does come with a manual. Some people might have questions when installing. So these are the bulbs, guys. Wow, they actually look really nice. Okay, so if you guys have never seen LED bulbs before, I've seen them before, but I really haven't got to inspect them or check them out. They're usually a lot bigger than the halogens. Now, these definitely do look good quality. I do like the packaging. I like that they came with gloves, and the box is pretty sturdy as well. It comes well packaged as well in some foam or whatever this is, and they do look like they're really nice quality. So let's start installing these really quick. I am going to use these gloves, but I'm not going to use them until I pull out the old bulbs, because your hands can get pretty dirty. So I'm going to use this glove. I'll use these gloves to install these bulbs so they don't get dirty at all. So first I'm going to pop the hood. If you guys are new to this channel, this is my 2003 lifted 2nd gen Honda CRV. I'm going to pop the hood really quick. All right, so my hood is actually pretty hot because I was just driving the CRV. I am gonna let this cool off for a second. So the driver's side is pretty easy. It's a lot easier than the other side. All you have to do is pull off this little plug right here. There's a little plug right there, and then pull off the dust shield. Nothing really to it, but I will show you guys how to do it on camera. And then this side's a little trickier. It's a little smaller. This is a pretty good area. Ooh, it's really hot. This is a pretty big area compared to the 7th gen Civic when I did that one, but it's straightforward just like the other side. All you do is unplug it, take off the dust shield, and then you pull out the bulb. So let's start with the driver's side really quick. All we have to do is, there we go, popped off the plug right there. It just comes right out. Super easy. Pull out the dust shield. This is probably going to be stuck on there. All right. Okay, so there's the dust shield right there. And now all I have to do is get the bulb out. There's a little clip. I don't know if you could actually see it in there. There's a little tiny clip right here. All you have to do is push on it. Whew, and it is really hot under the hood. I just let it cool off for a few minutes and it is still super hot. It's probably about 107 out here today, so it's pretty hot. So to pick up where I left off, there is a clip right in here on the side. All you have to do is push in and up. When you do that, it will come right out. You can see it right there. Yeah, very easy, super simple. Once you do that, you could just pull out the headlight, and there it is. This is a fairly new halogen bulb. It's pretty bright as well. I am going to save these because these are still pretty new and there's no reason to waste these or throw them away, so I will save this one and the other one as well. Now let's go to the other side. There's the plug. Now pull the dust cover. There we go. Wow, it is so hot in there. All right, so dust cover is off. What? I think I left a wrench in here last time. I don't know how I left a wrench in here last time, but apparently I did. It's probably when I was installing these hood spacers. That's crazy. I can't believe I did that. Okay, so now that the plug is unplugged, the dust cover is right here. Now all I have to do is pull the clip off. There we go. Pull out the bulb. There it is. All right, and that is done. Okay, now I'm going to take this dirty glove off. I'm going to put on these new gloves and we're going to install these new LED headlights. All right, so the bulbs are out, got the glove on. It's time to install the new LED bulbs. So it's time to pull these ones out, check them out. These are nice, guys. So these are definitely good quality. It looks like they're basically exactly the same as the other ones that I had in there. These are just really good quality. Wow, they even look like they're like probably made out of aluminum. I don't know, I'm not sure, but these are really nice. So they even say Oxido on the side of the bulb. These are really nice quality. They definitely look like they'll last a while. So it's time to put them in. Now, this is basically just a reverse of what we just did. So if you're installing these bulbs in your vehicle and you have the same type, then usually these two legs at the bottom are at the bottom, and then there's one at the top. You want to make sure that the little clip is outside. As you can see, it's outside right there. Just want to pop this bulb in really fast. Going to push in and down on the clip. There we go, it's in. All right, so the bulb is in, the clip is down. All I have to do is put on this dust cover. It does say top right here, so I'm going to put that at the top. There we go, we're done. We're done with this side. All right, so it's time for the passenger side. Let's go. We're going to make sure this is actually the right way in. Now I'm going to put this dust cover in as well. Let's actually plug it in. All right, so now that they're installed, it's time to test them out. It is during the day, it's super bright out. You're not gonna see them very well, but wow, that is pretty bright. Okay, wow, these are really bright. Okay, I am liking these so far. You can actually hear the fans. Can you guys hear that? You can actually hear the fans cooling them off as you're using them. That is pretty cool. Okay, so I've never used them before, guys. These actually have fans built in. I did assume that these LED bulbs did have fans built in. That's why they're so big. So these are super bright, guys. It is probably, I don't know, 3:39 out, and it is like the brightest part of the day. You could see these perfect. I am actually impressed. I like them. I like them. And you could see them on the wall. Broad daylight, super bright out, and you can actually see them. So here are a couple clips I took at night with the headlights on, and I am very impressed, guys. These headlights are definitely bright. They are super impressive. They're way brighter than the last headlights, which I thought were bright to begin with. These are super bright and they really do help with visibility. I really like how they look. They make my CR-V feel like a 2022, and you can just see the road so much better, and all of the signs actually light up a lot better as well. I'm very happy with these headlights, and I have to say, guys, I definitely recommend them. They really do make a big difference. And now the CR-V is looking great, guys. Definitely worth it. Easy, quick mod, and only takes a few minutes. Now, if you want to pick up a set of these for yourself, I'll link these in the description. If you use the code JDM4ALL, you can get 15% off on this product. They are definitely bright. These remind me of HIDs. I don't remember, it's been years since I had a set of HIDs in my Civic, but they definitely remind me of them. So like I said before, guys, link is in the description. You could check these out and use the code JDM4ALL to get 15% off on these. And that was the install of the Oxido LED headlight bulbs on my lifted Honda CR-V. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.